See, I was in the Navy from 2004 to 2011.
I'm a current member of the Arkansas Army National Guard.
Spent 13 years in the military. If I hadn't been injured, I'd have probably fully retired from the military. I'd planned on spending all my life in the military.
Started here 2 years ago, and it's been life-changing for me.
EcoVet was started in 2011 by a father and son team that wanted to give veterans an opportunity to re-enter the workforce, and now my dad, Mike Haygood, owns it. And we take semi-trailers that Walmart has decommissioned, and we take them, we tear them down, we use all the wood and metal to make furniture.
It's amazing, like there's not people like that at all. Like being willing to take the money out of their own pocket because they see other people struggling, and they may not have served themselves, but they see what we're going through at home, and people not wanting to give us the opportunity because, I mean, after some people find out we've deployed, they think we're crazy. Like, we're not, we're just, our switches are a little bit different now.
Veterans have done a great service for our country. For those that are not veterans, like myself and my dad, we feel like we owe it to them. They've put their life on the line, and it's hard for them to come back and enter into civilian world. Sometimes getting a job isn't easy because their credentials from military don't transfer into civilian life very easily.
Without programs like this, some of us never find our path again. Like they'll just stumble around being an outcast of society, and this is kind of putting us all back together so we're able to find ourselves, we're able to function in society again.
With the military, it's a whole nother world, and you get out and you don't find many places that you fit. I happened upon EcoVet and I fit.
And then we have some veterans that just want a place where it's safe, where they don't feel like they have to tell their stories, they don't have to talk about it, and they can just come and do their work and do something and be proud of it, just as they were their time in the service.
But at the end of the day, when you see the finished product, after ripping it out of the trailer, there's a sense of pride in the work.
It's not just reclaiming something that normally would have went to the trash. It's kind of like a lot of us old school military guys, they're, instead of just being forgotten about and pushed aside, we're giving it another chance and revamping it into something else. And it's kind of like us, they're revamping us into civilian life, so to speak, so.
Because you can look at our guys and they come back and don't have anywhere to go. These trailers get decommissioned, don't have anywhere to go, and so we're putting the two things together, and it works.